Positive Polly just WhatsApped me. She said it's going to be fine and it's all going to be all right. So we basically started off with people just thinking that we were going to be sort of giggly blonde twins, and the only way that we could get past that and sort of
show our true
squash
selves.
the preconceptions of what people thought blonde twins were, was to create our own stuff. And now we are in a world where we get to DJ amazing places in the evening and we get to run our own business during the day. It's very stressful and we're constantly out with our comfort zone, but we really had to push for that, and the only way we did that was be able to create our own stuff, because every single person was trying to put us into a different box. So some people wanted us to be really straight radio presenters, and other people wanted us to be giggly entertainment presenters.
So we made our own boxes.
So we made our own box, and now we sit in it quite happy, but fighting with each other like two little hamsters in a box. So people want to know how we've got to this stage, and I think our three sort of main top tips would be:
be fearless. Don't keep
and
yourself in a box, or be in the box, but be in your own box.
It's an idiotic place. Like, you have to just completely believe that what you're doing is right and is going to be good one day. I think 2 is always work harder and faster than everyone else. It sounds like a really simple thing and everyone says it, but when all our friends are out partying, we were up working. We work 18-hour days pretty much every day. We haven't had a day off for 5 months. And also, I will preface that by saying, self-care, don't work yourself to the ground.
Embrace the roller coaster. There's going to be lows. They're inevitable. But enjoy the highs and know that the lows will come as well, and you just need to wade yourself through them, really.
We've got a, this is really weird, I don't know why I'm saying this, but she works and we can give you a number, but we've got an imaginary friend called Positive Polly, and we've had her since we were like 5 or 6. And everything goes wrong, I just text Alana like, Positive Polly just WhatsApped me. She said it's going to be fine and it's all going to be all right.
So that's our 3rd tip. Find yourself a Positive Polly.
We've got our number if you want it.
The future is yours.
Make it.